Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's see. Check natin sino ba yung nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, opo, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay po, so nagre-reading din po ha si Perception. Okay, so bisita lang kayo sa kanilang page, sa kanyang page, and yeah, don't forget to follow, okay? And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, okay, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message, okay? So yes, again, don't forget na mag-follow rin, okay? Thank you. And syempre, sa ating mga Evil Eye items. So, ito yung ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. Okay, so this is available in red and black strings with initial po ha ng magmamay-ari ito. Okay, and yeah, adjustable. So, yung isa nating bracelet is yan, ito. Okay, ganyan. So, ito naman, walang initial. Okay, pero pareho silang unisex. Okay? Ito naman is garterize po. No? Madalas lalaki ang nakuha nito eh. Okay? Yeah. Unisex naman. Okay? So, ito naman ang ating Evil Eye ring. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and ano ba yun? Adjustable po. No? So, no need to give us your measurement. Oo, diba? Okay, so, ito naman ang ating Evil Eye. Evil Eye necklace. Okay, so yan po, no? Okay, so again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay, so para i-adjust yung length ng chain. So, pwede namang gumamit ng ibang chain. Mahalaga lang po is yung pendant. Okay, so asa na? Okay, ito namang granter natin. Oo, si granter is made to order. Okay po, made to order si granter. So, ganito siya. Okay, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and itong si pendant is acrylic. Okay, so ito po is 20 inches long yung chain niya. Okay, so pwede namang gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto ninyo. Okay, mahalaga po dito is yung pendant. Okay, so yan po ha. Harap at likod. Oo, parang may glass. Okay po, so yan po si granter. Okay, and si granter is unisex po. Okay, so yan. Oo. So matatanggap mo siya sa ganitong package. Okay, so meron pa tayong isa. Oo, yung pinakabago. Oo, yung ating love bracelet. Oo, okay. So ipapasilip ko sa inyo ngayon yung itsura ni love bracelet. Okay, so limited lang. Opo, limited lang muna sa ngayon. Okay, ganito siya. So, yeah. Ito is pang babae pa lang eh. Oo. Hindi ko pa masabi kung maglalabas ako ng panglalaki. So, ganito siya. Ha? Okay, yan. Okay, so meron siyang mga precious gems, precious crystals, so, para makaakit ng love. Okay? So, yan siya. Meron siyang pa-heart dyan, kung makikita nyo. Okay? So, ganyan po siya, ha? So, hindi siya, ang tawag dyan, hindi siya adjustable. Ang length po nito is 7 inches. Okay, yung haba nito 7 inches. Ako naman is may katabaan naman ako, no? Kasya naman sa akin. So, ganito siya kung inyong susuotin. No, ang ganda. Yeah. Okay, so this is for love lang ha. Okay, oo. So, if you're single, makaka-attract ka ng pwede sabihin nating pang long term. Okay? Okay. So, if you're in a relationship pero conflict, masyadong maraming conflict. maraming problema. So, may chance na itong si love bracelet is ang magbibigay ng harmony and ng peace of mind pagdating sa'yo. See, di ba? Ay, napakaganda niyan. Oh my God. Oo. Limited slots. Limited slots. Una-unahan. Kukuha lang muna ako ng mga gustong kumuha para, kasi, ayokong, oo, again, ayokong mag-hoard, oo, ayokong magkuha ng maraming pagawa, no, pero wala naman, parang ayoko nung ganun, natetenga yung energy, ayoko, okay, so kung ikaw interested ka, message ka lang, okay, para maikuha kita at mapagawa kita, okay, so yun lamang, so let's start, okay, all signs, yeah, all signs. So, sino ba ang stalker mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, let's see. Let's start with Aries. So, who is your stalker? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa stalker mo, Aries? Oh, the moon. Pwedeng Pisces. And the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, ang mga nag-i-stalk sa inyo is mga kamag-anakan mo rin. Okay? May mga lihim na galit. May mga lihim na inggit. I don't know why. Okay? So, may chance na wala silang trabaho or may financial issue. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng no contact mo to. Okay? Pwedeng naka-separate mo to. Nakahiwalay mo. Parang ganyan. Naka-break up mo. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, pwedeng Pisces and Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay? So, yes. A past energy. A past person's energy. So, may chance na bitter to. May chance ikaw rin is hindi pa rin totally healed from this person. Okay? So, there. Yeah. I don't know why they're stalking you. Tinanong lang naman natin kung sino yung stalker mo. Okay? So, next. Taurus. Okay. So, sino ba itong stalker mo? Titingnan lang natin kung anong energy niya. Okay? Hindi natin itatanong kung bakit kanya ini-stalk. Taurus. Sino itong stalker mo? Okay, the Four of Wands in reverse. So, some of you pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Separation. May nangyaring separation sa inyo or fallout. Okay? Some of you pwedeng wala kayong label ng taong to. What's with these Four of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Uy, yung iba rito ha, kung meron kayong mga third party issue, okay, may chance na yung isa is ini-stalk ka. Yung isa sa third party. Yung isa sa inyo, yan, ini-stalk ka niya. Okay? Some of them, kung sino man ito, pwedeng fire sign, ang laki ng fire sign energy. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And ang nakuha ko, some of them is attractive. Okay? They're attractive. Yes. Okay? Lumayo sa'yo itong taong to for other person. For another connection. Pwedeng ganon. Okay? See? The lovers. Diba? Okay. Next. Gemini. So, Gemini, anong meron sa stalker mo, Gemini? Anong energy meron siya? Sino ba yan? The Two of Pentacles in reverse. May nangyaring pagdadrop dito. Pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah. Okay, so may nangyaring paglayo. Okay, may natapos sa inyong dalawa. Yeah, meron din ditong fixed sign, Taurus, Scorpio, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, and Leo. Okay, so yun, yeah. The Four of Wands in reverse. May energy ng separation or may nangyaring paglayo. Okay, dinrap ka nitong taong to. I don't know why you're there stalking you still. Hindi naman natin yung tinanong. Ang tinanong lang natin is kung sino ba itong nag-i-stalk. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng malayo sa'yo. Okay? Hindi sila nakatira malapit dyan sa kung saan ka man naroon ngayon. No? Oo. Kailangan mo pa mag-travel para makita mo tong taong to. Okay? Yung parang kailangan mo mag-travel ng sobrang malayo. Yes. Okay? Malayo. Pwedeng foreigner. Pwedeng foreign. Okay? So, there. Next. Cancer. So, Cancer, sino ba itong stalker mo? Let's see. Who is your stalker? So, hindi natin titingnan kung bakit kanya i-stalk. Titingnan lang natin kung sino itong stalker mo, Cancer. Okay, the Sun in reverse, pwedeng Leo. Okay. Why the Sun in reverse? Okay, this is your past. This is your past person. Okay, so pwedeng Leo, pwedeng water sign like you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, they need you. Anyway, so they are sad. May nangyaring ditong separation, pero still hindi pa rin makamove on itong taong ito. Yung iba sa kanila may anak. Okay, may anak sila. Yeah. Pwedeng ikaw, hindi ka pa rin totally nakaka-move on dito. So, meron ka ng tawag dyan, sign kung sino to. Okay, hindi ka pa rin nakaka-move on dito. Actually. So, some of you, maybe you're healing from this person. Okay? So, there. Ang nakuha ko rito, this person or maybe you, talagang ina-admire mo tong taong to. Okay, ina-admire mo. Okay? So, there. Next. Leo. So, Leo, who is your stalker? So, let's see. Who is your stalker, Leo? Ano bang meron sa kanya? Hindi natin titingnan kung bakit kanya ini-stalk. Tingnan lang natin kung sino stalker mo. Okay, the Eight of Wands, Universe. Some of you, binlock ka or binlock mo tong taong to. Okay? So, may nangyaring pause. May nangyaring pagtigil or stop. Okay, sa inyong dalawa. Pwedeng na-contact kayo nitong taong to. The Ace of Cups. Okay? So, some of you, may chance na kaya nawala itong taong to is because may something na dumating sa buhay niyang bago. Okay? Pwedeng a new connection. Yes. Okay? Yeah, may pagtalikod na nangyari. Or pwedeng tinalikuran mo to. Dito yung fire sign and the water sign. Andun pa rin yung sabihin nating minahal ka ng taong to, pero nandun yung parang, bakit mo gini-give up na to, Leo? I don't know. Yeah. Some of you, this is just a new person. Okay? A new person. They're stalking you. Parang meron lang silang kailangang malaman sa'yo. Yung iba sa kanila, kung bago to, hindi sila consistent po, pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate. They're like trying to stalk you more, to know you more, maybe. Okay, so there. Next, Virgo. Virgo, sino bang stalker mo, Virgo? Who's your stalker, Virgo? Okay, the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them, maraming commitments itong taong to. Pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. The Queen of Cups. This person wants to commit. This person loves you a lot. A lot. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng mother mo to. Mother or father figure. Okay? Someone who loves you unconditionally. Okay? So, may chance na may nangyaring issue sa inyo before. Okay? So, I think bumabalita or bumabalita itong taong to. No? Kasi may concern pa rin sila sa'yo, Virgo. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Swords in reverse. So, pwedeng pagdating sa communication ninyo is hindi na ganun kaganda. Okay? Yeah, may arguments na nangyari dito. May mga arguments. Okay? So, yeah. Meron ka pa ring responsibilidad dito, Virgo, actually. Lalo na kung mother mo to or father. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Next. Libra. So, Libra, who is your stalker? Libra, who is your stalker? Okay, the Seven of Wands in reversed. Pwedeng fire sign. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's with this Seven of Wands in reversed? The Judgment. Pwedeng Scorpio. Okay, so nagkaroon kayo ng cycle ng taong to. Okay? May chance na bumitaw ka dito sa taong to. Dahil marami ng paulit-ulit na nangyari. Okay? Sa inyo, a lot of repeats. Parang ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin naging miss opportunity to. Or meron ditong nakakaramdam na parang naging miss opportunity yung situation or yung connection nyo. Okay? Itong taong to actually gusto nito na bumalik. Gusto niyan bumalik. Pero because of their ego, hindi nila yung gagawin. Okay? Yeah. Ayaw lang mapapahiya. Yes. Okay? Okay, so yun lang. Next. Scorpio. Scorpio, sinong stalker mo? Let's see. Sino ang stalker ng mga Scorpio? Some of you, pwedeng Cancer yan. Okay, anong meron sa stalker mo? The Queen of Cups in reversed. And the Knight of Cups. So, pwedeng water sign like you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. I think this person is, may pagkamakasarili. Oo, na attitude. Okay? They love themselves. Like, mas pinapahalagahan nito yung sarili nila kaysa sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, may chance na hindi sila available emotionally. Pero, they're open. Okay? Like, kung nag-offer ka sa kanila, tinatanggap naman. Parang ganyan. Pero, they're not available emotionally. Yeah. Walang chance na maging kayo ng taong to. They're not open eh. They're not available. Yeah. Okay? Makeup talaga ako. Okay. So, yun lang. Nakikita ko. May nasayang doon. Sino ka? Scorpio. May nasayang sa connection nyo. Yun din. May nakita akong ganun. May nangyaring fallout. Okay? So, there. Next. Yeah, antok na antok ako. Sag. Sagittarius. Anong meron sa stalker mo? So, sino ba yung stalker mo, Sag? Okay. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. A lot. Oo. Ang dami niyang commitments. By the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. The Knight of Wands in reversed. Ito yung taong practical. Oo. Kayang-kaya nitong makigo with the flow sa'yo, Sag. Kung kita kanyang seryoso, magseseryoso yan. Kung kita niyang flirt lang din ang ibibigay niyan sa'yo. Okay? They're practical. Yeah. Some of them, they want you. Sa totoo lang. Yes. Okay? Pero may limit to. Hindi nito ibibigay lahat, hindi nito papaalam lahat sa'yo. Some of you, nakakausap mo to actually, pero hindi ganon consistent. Hindi ganon ka-consistent. Okay? Like, pwede ngayon, kausap mo, bukas hindi, sa makalawa, hindi pa rin, tas kinabukasan ulit is yes, andyan na siya ulit. Like that. Okay? Maraming inaatupag itong taong to sa totoo lang. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, they're stalking you. Eto ha, pwedeng ang alam mo sa taong to na they're busy. Pero actually nakakagawa ito ng paraan pa or nakakagawa ito ng oras para may stock ka kahit kauntian. Yes. Yeah. Yung iba rito ha, hindi nyo aakalain na ini-stock ka nito. Kasi they're too serious. Okay? Alam nyo yung nasa loob yung kulo. Ganon yung energy ng taong to, Saj. Nasa loob yung kulo. Okay, anyway. Next. Capricorn. So, Capricorn. Sino bang stalker mo, Capricorn? Anong meron? Baka mamaya, ito yung pinautang mo. Pero na naman. Oh, Capricorn. Sino tong stalker mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, the Three of Cups. Pwedeng friend mo. Okay, friend. Oh, anong meron? The Hermit. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng friend mo na hindi mo na nakakausap. Yes, pwedeng classmate mo, katrabaho mo na hindi mo na nakakausap ngayon. Okay? Yeah, may mga ganyan. Iba rito, they're looking forward reconciliation, some of them. Pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Yeah, some of you, pwedeng kachat mo to. Okay? Someone younger. Someone younger. Yeah. Iba rito, friend mo na talagang kumuha or humingi ng pabor sa'yo. Okay? Humingi siya ng pabor. Pero nandiyan yung hermit, pwedeng tinataguan ka nito ngayon. Okay? So there, diba? Okay. Ito pa. Oo, meron pa. Diba? May channeled message. Yung iba sa kanila, may chance na kapag nagpo-post, no, naka-hide sa'yo. Yung lahat ng mga gandang nangyayari sa buhay nila, i-hide nila sa'yo. I don't know why. So, baka may utang nga sa'yo to, no? O ayaw nilang masisingil. Okay. Aquarius. Anong meron sa stalker mo? Okay. Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa stalker mo? Okay, Justice. Pwedeng Libra. Anong meron? Some of you, meron kayong mga legal matter, ng taong ito. What's with this Justice? The Hermit in reversed. Okay, itong taong to, may kailangan itong i-provide sa'yo. Meron tong kailangang ibigay sa'yo. Okay, pero they don't know kung paano. Okay, some of them, pwedeng kailangan nilang humingi ng forgiveness sa'yo, pero they don't know what to say. Okay? And what to do. Okay? So, wala silang ginagawa actually. Yeah. Nakukonsensya rin naman siya. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng asawa mo, na nakahiwalay mo. Okay? Pwedeng mga may kailangang i-provide. Yan. Pero hindi na nagagawa. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko. Pwedeng ini-stock mga anak nyo. Pwedeng ganyan. Okay? So, there. So, we have here Virgo and Libra. Okay, next. So, Pisces. Yan. Last but not the least. Diba? Pisces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Pisces. Sinong stalker mo, Pisces? Tingnan natin. Oh, the Knight of Wands. Pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person wants you. This person likes you. Okay? The Devil in reversed. Pero ayaw nila ng ng parang ma-attach. Some of them, they just want na magkaroon ng sex sa inyong dalawa. they're sabihin nating physically attracted pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng Capricorn. Oops. Some of them napapanaginipan ka to. Anyway, hindi mo naman alam yon. Pero ang kukunin natin is, itong taong ito is nandyan. Always flirting you. Okay? Always. Pero wala itong parang ipinapakitang senyales na talagang gusto ka. Okay? They just want you as like physical. Parang ganyan. Okay? Parang hindi sila parang seryoso. Yeah. See the page of pentacles, the page of wands, universe. Always annoys you. Oo, parang ina-annoy ka. Like, ang tawag doon? Iniinis. Parang ganun. Inistalk ka nila. I don't know why. Okay? So, maybe, tinitingnan-tingnan niyo yung picture mo. Sana walang kemerut. Some of them, they are younger. Yeah, they are younger. Okay, so yeah, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.